My first step was to make a simple syrup, so I got equal parts water and sugar and put that on my stovetop in a little pot and basically just kind of melted the sugar. I didn't bring it to a boil or anything, I just let it go. And the next step was to juice a heck ton of a lot of lemons. These are a mix of regular lemons and Meyer lemons, and I juiced them over a little sieve to catch any of the pits or seeds or whatever you want to call them. So at first I was using a fork and my poor little hands would have died. So then I got my little lemon juicer that I forgot that I had and just juiced enough to make 1 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Smelled so good, you guys. And once my syrup was all melted, I got going on making the lemonade. So I got 5 cups of regular just tap water and then added some ice from my freezer. Naturally, right? You want to get ice from anywhere else. And then I added in the simple syrup. You can see the sugar all mixing around in there. It's kind of neat. And then I stirred all of that around just to really make sure that it wouldn't try to like freeze up. I don't know if that's right, but whatever. And then I added in the lemon juice and mixed that around. Then next I got on the strawberry part. So I got some fresh and frozen strawberries to make about 3 cups and put them in my blender. And I have a pretty high-speed blender, so I didn't add any of the lemonade mixture to when I blended it up. But that's what the recipe does say to do. And it would have been a lot easier and a lot faster to do the next step if I would have done that, but I figured since I have fresh lemons or fresh strawberries, I didn't really need to. But the next step is to strain your strawberries so the juice comes out and not the seeds and stuff. And then next I just added the mixture to the lemonade mixture and mixed that all together. Then you just pop this in the fridge. We didn't, but we enjoyed it. We definitely loved this recipe. It was super quick, super easy, and my kiddos just absolutely loved this. We rate this a 10 out of 10, and I hope that you guys make this and enjoy this soon.